Whoa. Whoa. This is the really smallest vacuum I've seen ever. And yes, guys, this is the world's smallest vacuum. Alright, so let's take a look at a few things we're gonna pay attention on it. The first one, the good to know, it's no batteries required, it's on the top. It said you don't need any batteries for it. It's pretty cool. You can plug in this guy and use it. The next thing is it's reusable filter over here. It said you can wash it if you need it and use it till it will die. Probably not soon. And the next, it has two attachments. It means the two nozzles you can plug in here on the front of the vacuum and for different applications. And as I said, is this USB guy, and you need just the computer, the laptop, or the charging adapter you can find anywhere on your desk. So you can use it anytime you have something to vacuum on your keyboard, on a desk, or around your computer or workstation. So let's open this guy up. We'll see what's inside. All right. Now there is a vacuum we have here. It's pretty small. I swear I've never seen ever the smallest than this one. And this is around 4.5 inches long, 1 inch wide over here, and I believe 1.5 over here wide. This one has vacuum, the cord. On the manual it said nothing how long it is, but this one is around 5 feet, just to know, you guys. And the next thing is the nozzles or attachments. So they're made of rubberish material. I think, to me, it's a heat shrink. Yeah, it's heat shrink made thing. Flexible, so you can put it somewhere, even move something, or to help the sticky stuff and get out. The next is almost same but shorter, and it has a brush, so you can brush it, but not your tooth, definitely not. No, it's very soft. All right, so this is it, and this guy has this few buttons. Okay, one of them you can open. This is a trash tray or dust tray. It depends what he will suck. And the next one, the button on and off, on and off. So you don't need to hold it, I think. Just push it, it will vacuum it, and just release it. That's it. And the filter, it's as a ring. That's locking ring. You can lock up this guy. Oh no, it just jumped out together. So there is a fan you can see with a motor. Pretty simple. Oops, don't go away. Now put it back together. Let's see how it works. All right, it looks cool. All right, let's try to test it to get some dust through here. Next spot, guys. Don't stop watching. Now is the time to real test. It's not about talking, let's doing. And try to vacuum these crumbs, guys, here by this tiny world's smallest vacuum, guys. All right, let's start. Woohoo! Okay, now it's more realistic application, my personal opinion, where you can use that tiny vacuum. So you can plug it into your laptop or the computer and try to use it immediately if this vacuum is handy. And now I use another nozzle with a brush and try to help or save my laptop keyboard. We'll see how it works. boy, as you can see here, it works very well and no one crumb hide it. Everyone found it. This vacuum works super fine for this application, my opinion. So, as you can see, this vacuum works. Even we're talking about the smallest, world's smallest vacuum, it's still applicable for your table environment here, and actually you can save your keyboard. I want to say the last application to clean a keyboard is more realistic because everyone is eating almost when you're playing, when you're watching, when you're working on the computer, the snacks, the burgers, chips, or breadsticks or something has crumbs. And this guy really helps in that case to vacuum it and save your keyboard or the table if you like more fun. So I would definitely recommend it to purchase, and it's pretty cheap. You can find it on Amazon or eBay, anywhere you like. I believe around something $20. So we definitely want it. And thank you for watching us. As a reminder, if you have cool stuff, cool features, cool equipment, or cool gadgets to share, welcome. We would like to get it and review it as well. Please leave your comments below. And the ring, make sure you're updated for the new videos. And see you soon, guys.